What's going on, guys? I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Another short video today just announcing my partnership with eManualOnline.com. I will post a link to their website down in the video description. They're pretty much the equivalent to an online manual, similar to a Chilton or a Haynes manual, but of course these are new age. They're digital. You can put them on your computer. You don't have to worry about getting your oily, greasy hands all over the paper. Nice and clean on the computer. You don't have to worry about losing or ripping pages or anything like that. They offer over 500,000 repair manuals for things such as cars, motorcycles, ATVs, heavy equipment like bulldozers and tractors. And they're pretty ideal for your DIY guys and gals or automotive enthusiasts. Full transparency, anything bought through their link, I am supposed to get a 25% revenue share, but if you want to support them and me, please consider buying your manuals from them. And they will be sending me one soon for my 2014 Harley Davidson Night Rod Special. I'm going to be doing an oil change and some other maintenance items on that bike, and I will kind of show some walkthroughs and what the manuals can provide when I do that service. So stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe. Check me out on all the socials. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.